into the next stage. I've been doing a lot of thinking, been going over the bike. So I think, okay, right, with all this in front of me, how can I now wire this up so that basically when I go and press that and go on to full beam, it actually lights everything up as I want it to. Different ways, I've had different ideas and different ways, but now I know what I know. Basically, that is, I believe that's a full positive line all times, that positive line. Also when you connect it, it just lights up the dark blue, which is your full beam, and that bottom unit. And same with the light blue, all this switch does is just swap between, same with that, I believe that's just headlight control unit basic relay. All it does is swap between these two here. Yellow side lights, I believe, are on all the time. So how do we make it so when we switch to full, they both stay on? Right. Different ways. My idea of bridging this is, that is a way. My idea of swapping these two wires, I don't think would actually do anything. I'm still to test that, but I don't think it would actually do not anything. The idea I have, and I believe it will work, my friend may let me test this, is what I need to do is remove the red and white and the light blue and conjoin them two wires together. If I'm correct, essentially what happens is that red and white will be forever powering that. So when you switch on the bike and at all times and whatnot, you will have your dipped beams on. But the minute you switch like that, these two wires will connect to the blue and the dark blue, illuminating your full beam. But because the light blue is essentially connected to the red and white, I'll design this later, and it's always powered, your dipped beam will stay on, even though you have it switched to full beam. I'm going to give my mate a quick call, see if he'll allow me to do this. I believe this may fix the solution we all have, and to join them two wires, Wago connector, very, very simple. And to test it, I've not even got to cut anything, I just need to remove them two from the block and connect them together and see what happens when I play around with it. But we're reaching clarity. For now, till the next step, AB Bikes out.